the last thing I want to show you is what to do when your bobbin runs out and there's no more thread left. We have to refill it. So what we do is come over to this side of the machine and use this area over here to refill it. So what I'm going to do first is you just need a regular spool of thread here. Again, check for that little cut. You can, yeah, right there. And actually, I'm going, because I keep searching for it, I'm going to start putting a little tick mark on it. So now, when I look, I'll be able to find it quicker. Put that facing up. We're going to use this spindle instead of this one. This is the one I used when I threaded the machine. We're going to put it over here for refilling the bobbin. Then the first spot for threading the bobbin refill is to come over to this tab again. This was the same one. You had the thread here and we went to this one. And then we're going to come down here to this. So the thread comes diagonally across the machine and goes like that. The idea that we're going to then come up to here. So you take your bobbin and there's a hole, you see right here. You're going to thread the thread from the inside out through that hole. So take the thread, go in there, come out this side, pull out 2, 3, 4 inches, and then slide it onto here. Darn it. My view. We're going to slide the bobbin on here. Okay. Oops, my hand's in the way. You want to make sure you keep a hold of this string. Let me see if I can turn the machine a little bit so we can get a better view. Actually, we want to check to make sure it's still down, the thread's still down here, and it comes up to our bobbin. Over here, I'll show you real quick, is a inside dial. This is your hand wheel out here. The inside dial, this locks the I think they call it the clutch, that controls the motor, controls the needle going up and down. We don't want it to go up and down while we're refilling this, but we need the motor to work to help fill the bobbin. So if you hold the outside and turn the inside wheel toward you, it unlocks that. And now when I hit the pedal, the needle will not go up and down, but it will turn this, which turns this, which will refill the bobbin. So I'm going to hold on to the string. This little lever needs to get pushed up into the middle of the bobbin, and the wheel then is pushed against this wheel. And so now, when I step on it's going to, whoops, the string should be on the top. There you go, you can see it start filling. And eventually that gets pulled away, so I want to cut this off. Pull it out. Once there's enough thread on there that it won't let go, that end, and then press on the foot pedal again and you watch it go back and forth. This lever that we pushed in here is gonna, once it gets pushed out by the thread enough, it will stop this whole system automatically and stop spinning this bobbin. There we go. So they're stopped automatically, and then I can let my foot off of the foot pedal. Then we're ready to just cut the string, and we have a filled bobbin. Pull it off, and there we go. It's ready to be reinstalled into the machine. Now while we're over here, there is one other thing that I forgot to mention. this machine has some type of an attachment that gets installed on this plate, and I don't have that, but there's a plug down here that I believe goes to it. But this plug, because I don't have the attachment, does nothing. It simply just sits in here and just leave it alone. I think that's it. So I think you are ready to do everything you need to make the masks that we've given you. Good luck.